Mark Twain once said, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did. So, throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. And that's exactly why we are building this path one step at a time, crafting a lifestyle that, in many ways, could set us free. Welcome to La Bohème Family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together. The challenges we faced so far have tested us in ways we couldn't have predicted. The biggest of all has been the distance.
I miss them.
For 5 long months, Onur has been restoring our sailboat alone, anchored in the peaceful woods of Bristol, Maine. While Luna and I have supported him from here in Italy, handling everything on this side. As you saw in our previous videos, the boat is finally ready to launch, but other factors forced us to wait. So we made the hard decision to leave her safely for the winter and plan for a spring launch in May. Now, after all this hard work, Onur left the boat, but not without one last surprise.
Hey guys, this is one of my last video in here, so I would like to make you some explain how is the life here. The reality of the living in the forest, you have to deal so many nature stuffs, right? And in the city you are dealing the COVID or the bacteria or virus, something like that. In nature is the same actually. So this sorry about my language, this one over here bite me, and it is tick, and it is very common Lyme disease in the Maine. So it was really into it, and I think it stays like 2 days, and I didn't even know it. Just I feel it something, and then I took it out. So what you have to do in the Maine, if the tick is bite you, so you guys have to make online payment. The laboratory, you have to bring the tick, actually take it, kill it, and put it in the Ziploc like this, and put the reference number on top, and sending to laboratory with the reference number. So they will investigate if the tick has a Lyme disease or not. You guys cannot imagine like how many ticks I can find on my body each day, like 4 or 5 of them. It was just crawling on me. It is crazy. Like it is maybe you guys say that, oh my god, nature is amazing, but sometimes it's too much. So let you guys know. So this is my thing to send it to. Let's see that if I have not something. Actually this tick, it is they call it the deer tick, so it is a red one, so it is common for the Lyme disease on this. Let's see. Bismillah.
After days of worry, we felt a huge sense of relief when the results came back negative. Thank goodness, no Lyme disease. After that, Onur made his way to Miami, taking some much-deserved time to relax and enjoy himself.
Today in the boat show with Kutay and best Kutay. So what we do, we are looking for all these boats, but it's only motor yachts that we are looking for. And we are drinking coffee from Azimuth.
And as a proud US citizen, he also went to vote. In the meantime, back here in Italy, Luna and I are making the most of the last traces of summer. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's supposed to be already cold here in Italy, but today it's 30 degrees Celsius, so we're going to the beach. Manda un bacino, Luna? So this place is about 20 minutes from our house, and we like here so much because it's always so peaceful and beautiful. I will show you around. Yes, just me and Luna. Let's jump in the water, Luna. You ready to jump? So we are cherishing these moments while we wait for our family to be complete once again.
Good morning, guys, from Miami. As you guys see, coconuts and rain. This is a typical of the Miami. Of course, the sunshine, but today is rainy day, so I'm just making the video on the rainy day. So as you see, I'm warm these days. When I left Bristol, it was -2 to 29 degree, but right now is in Miami 35, like a 90 degree around. So it is so funny, when I was coming all the way down, I have a 2 polar, 2 pants and 2 socks. And when I'm coming to south, I'm taking out the layers slow by slow, and at the end you are just wearing the summer clothes here. It's funny actually, like it is amazing feeling. And they call it snowbird here. If you are living in the summertime north and the wintertime south, they call these people snowbird. I feel like one of them also. Like I enjoy it actually. So this week I came here, I vote for the US election, and I went to boat show, but for another boat show, it is for the motorboaters, not for the sailors. So I'm a little bit disappointed, but for me it's a good stuff on the they are selling still the water makers, anchors, and etc. other stuff that I can talk with the people. I have a good information on this. Of course, to see the motorboats is amazing, who really love them, but it is not my preference. So it is what it is. So next week I'm planning to go to Europe, to start to stay in a little bit in Europe. Let's see how it will work, and meeting with the family. Cheers, guys. See you later, alligator. This is the for Florida say ciao or bye. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. Here we are. I'm drinking coffee and eating dark chocolate, which is the perfect match for me. Yes, we are very, very happy to see Onur again. So we will see him very soon. Actually, the plan is to meet him in Turkey, in Istanbul. And actually, I'm so curious to see Luna's face when she's gonna see her dad again after so long. So I'm very curious to see her reaction. And yes, like always, thank you so much for watching, for supporting us, and for buying us coffee, which is definitely a way to keep us motivated. So if anyone else want to give us a caffeine boost, you can scan the QR code or use the link. Or if you like to be part of our Patreon community, here is the QR code and the link. As always, thank you so much for supporting us, for being part of this journey that is definitely long and intense. Bye bye.